Carbon fiber, as a rule of thumb, should weigh at least 25% less than a standard fiberglass part. So we thought we'd show you on our hood. Here's our LS long hood. We created this hood, came off of a early C3 for a big block or an LT car. We took it all the way back to the windshield, give you that low profile when you're running a badass LS3 or whatever you're running. And so when we made the molds, we did it so we could do them in carbon fiber. So here's our carbon fiber hood at 26 pounds. And we just recently started making these where they have the carbon fiber exposed, not only on the outside, but they are available on the inside. Show them the back side of that, Travis. Pick that up and show them the back side of it. So you get that shot in there, you got the back side exposed. The framework, we're not doing the back side framework exposed, but the big part, we're leaving that exposed. It is all carbon fiber, but just part of it's exposed. And so we're going to show you the comparison of the three hoods. This is an original C3 long hood, 77 long hood. And there's your weight, 33 pounds. So that's a factory hood in comparison to one of our hoods that we make in a standard glass or carbon fiber. So 77 hood, weight 33 pounds. Keep in mind, this is the back side of our hood. All of our hoods are finished on the back side, so you don't see the framework. We put as much love and care into the back side as we do the front side. Because as a rule of thumb, if you're putting one of these hoods on your car, you want to show off what's underneath that hood. So when you open up the hood and you're seeing the gorgeous backside of a hood to mirror that engine that you're showing off, that you can see on the backside of that hood, says a lot about your craftsmanship and what you're building. So, original hood weighs
34 pounds.
34 pounds. We weigh 33 pounds.
33 pounds on the
carbon fiber on the standard hood, and 26 pounds on the carbon fiber. So you got to make the choice of what road you want to go down to finish off what you're building. Keep in mind with hoods, if you have a car that's already done and painted, I don't really recommend buying one of our hoods, because it's probably going to end up being a pain in your ass if it doesn't fit perfect, and I don't want it to end up being a pain in mine. Okay, hoods are very common to know. You have to fit a hood to the body that you're putting it on, and it's best to do that before you're painting it. We've showed other videos showing it. I can guarantee you that if it fits on there, it could. Okay, pretty good chance that it's going to fit. But if it doesn't fit, then all it does is create problems for you and for me. So if your car's all pretty and painted, leave it alone. If you're building a car and you want to show it off, these are some options for you. Thanks for watching.